Once inside the temple deep, our heroes gained the key they seek. But the beaten queen played one last hand and raised a beast to plague the land. The forgotten forest left dark and grim, captive to the vines within. But Rex ensured the beast would fail with seismic smashes of his tail. To the depths of Esme's blue lagoon, where the coral reef would perish soon. But Esme slayed this toxic spawn with a sonic blast of the magic horn. To sandy flats, Clouder's oasis, the waterholes now stagnant places. The roots intoxicate the land until Clouder burnt them as he ran. And finally to Magic Falls, a once vibrant realm now bleak and cruel. But Maple vanquishes the ooze with a snapping whip of his lasso. So piece by piece the devourer fell, to be condemned to the pits of hell. Whilst the heroes carry on their quest to free Queen Lena from her hex.